AlexaMaxTV, and today we'll be doing part 2 of the Japanese snackos. And by the way, this is a green screen background, so it's fake. Touch how not real. It's advanced technology. I'm just kidding, no.
Okay, so we'll be opening it slowly to savor this time.
Okay, so let's get started.
Oh, use your hands!
That's what you did in the last video. So this one, for a quick recap,
it's amazing.
This is a burger one with fries, and we have to cook it in the microwave. All that pain and the Coca-Cola. So let's get started. Oh, by the way, the instructions if you want to make this and buy this is on the back. And you have to peel off a sticker.
Oh no, I broke some of it because I used my head. I'm just kidding now.
Ooh!
Oh, it's a Coke mix. Oh, it's amazing.
Okay, so
I'm savage.
So this time, I guess it has packaging inside of the stuff. So you're just gonna have to open it. Okay, so this is all the stuff that comes with it. The stuff you could make it in. The knife.
And the
Shovel spoon.
the Z spoons.
What you can mix it with. The Coke cup. The Coke cup. You will also need, which doesn't come with this, scissors, and also the packets that,
And a half drink water.
okay, so the packets you'll get is the
hamburger
bun, the bun mixture,
Then the Z fries.
mixture. Oh wait, the ketchup mixture, the Coke mixture, and the patty mixture, and
The mixture.
unknown mixture. Oh yeah, we're all supposed to.
You cut it. I'm too dangerous for this world.
Like, oh yeah, and we have to cook some of this stuff
In the
because
microwave.
I'm guessing the microwave. Yeah, it's probably the microwave.
Yeah.
It looks like a microwave in the picture.
Oh yeah, this is the instructions. And don't mind this part. And it's all Japanese, I think, or something. So,
Okay, you're supposed to cut out everything.
too much instructions.
And water is exploding everywhere. We're already getting dirty with water. So we'll just put this to the side. So put in your fry mixture.
I don't know why we're doing this.
And then just like stir it up so it's all good.
No, I'm doing this. You're sprinkling it.
And you might have to add extra water because
I'm doing three scoops of water.
okay, so your mixture should all be
Ready?
Your weird smelling mixture should be like this, and you're supposed to pat it down with your finger. Well, let me try not to leave her. Ah, this smells so weird. I guess that's why you're supposed to cook it. We're gonna start by putting it in the microwave for 30 seconds.
We just microwave.
Why did you put it on the table? Okay, so we just microwaved it. I put it in for 30 seconds and it looked like this. I put it in for 5 more seconds and it still looked like this. Max will cut the fries. Let me help you. Okay, there's our fries. And now we'll be needing this thing. So put in your patty mixture.
You mean the water first? We just made the patties and we're putting more water. And there's 3 of these mini holes. And then the other 2 on the side are gonna be the buns, and in the middle is the patty.
This is not smelling so great.
Yeah, it's smelling like pepper and wait, what's that other thing? Salt and pepper. Yeah, it smells like pepper.
Okay, and now after that you can add the
see.
patty mix
What patty?
next to the
right here.
next to the patty.
What happened to the thing?
I mean, not the patty mix, the
The red stuff. Oh, it's right here. Or whatever it's named.
Okay, we need some extra help, so
I will just use the knife. That's savage. I'm pretty sure Alexa's middle name is Savage.
nope, it's. I'm not telling you.
Savage.
Some of the patty mix is in the burger mix, so. Okay, so now cook this in the microwave for 40 minutes. I mean, not 40 minutes, 40 seconds. Well, I final product. Oh wow, the watch actually smells good.
Watch the meat.
Well, the patties look really overcooked. So 40 seconds, that's what it takes. And oh, this really smells weird.
It's just the dogs. Don't mind that. Oh no, the patty broke. Patty broke. I don't think he's gonna make it out alive. The patty broke. Wow. Kitchen. I can't believe this is
I have a hole in
Chez.
the bread.
This is Chez, apparently.
Okay, so we're supposed to. It looks like this, and then when you cook it, you have to cut it in half. And by the way, you have to cook it for 40 seconds. And then you cut this in half. So.
Krusty Krab pizza. Krusty Krab pizza. Krusty Krab pizza is for you and me.
Okay, I'll just assemble ours. Oh yeah, we also have to make ketchup. So
Ketchup. Oh yeah.
the fries over there, they're looking sad.
Just like they're supposed to.
Ooh, look, we're supposed to cut this out. Oh yeah, and on here you could also cut the plastic out so you could make like the things that hold it. Like you could make the Coke wrapper thing, and you could make the potato holder.
But are we
thing.
supposed to do that?
You don't have to, but I want to.
Oh yeah, we're supposed to make the cheese and the ketchup. Well, I'm gonna be making the what's it called? Chez. Okay. After I'm gonna make the what's it called? Ketchup.
Okay, so this is the potato thing.
Potato.
That doesn't sound right. Okay, and then you put it like a cup because we're unprofessional these days. And then you put the really bad fries in there. This is not what it looks like. Okay, so I'll just put it right here.
I think they're just trying to insult us.
Insult our cooking, our fabulous cooking skills.
Yeah. We make good food, but we don't make good food.
Okay, I'll just put it on top. I'll put it on top. This is just gonna how it looks. Gonna look.
I need this in front of me.
This is not what it's looking like. Look, this, but this.
Like I need to
Really
see.
bad.
What are we supposed to do? Well, what? Oh, it's this thing. This.
Oh yeah, and you're supposed to mold it.
Alexa, I can't do this. Cheese is hard to make.
You need the knife.
I know.
You need the knife. This doesn't look like it in the pictures.
Oh no. Oh no. My fingers. You're not supposed to microwave the cheese.
Oh, it smells so weird. It doesn't smell like cheese at all.
Really?
Lastly, the ketchup.
Pikachu. Out now. Game ketchup out now.
Okay.
Where's the Coke?
Put the mixture in.
Oh. I need my Coke.
Okay, so do you want ketchup on your burger?
You know what? I'm just gonna have a hamburger, not a cheeseburger. Max could have a cheeseburger for the showcase. Yeah, this Coke is coming along pretty decent.
Do you want ketchup?
Yeah, ketchup right there, please. Pulls.
Okay.
Where's the knife? I need it.
Okay, so we put ketchup on there, and okay, so this is the Coke that Max just made.
It's lit. Legit. It's legit.
Legit. So I'm cutting out the Coke label, and I just have to cut
I
it
really
out.
have nothing to do except to clean all this up. So I'll just put everything back. So don't pay attention to me. I'll just be over here.
I'll just be over here. And the ketchup, by the way, it smells like regular ketchup. So if you're making this Peebles, then you're fine with that. But the rest of the stuff, it's kind of not really what I was expecting. I thought it was just gonna be like candy stuff, but it's just like weird. Okay, so let me just clear this up. And now there's a lot of food scraps over here. And this is the Coke.
I'm back.
Okay, so let's put it on and taste it. I don't want to touch the cheese. The cheese touch. Tinkle seat, tinkle seat. So here's the Coke.
So here's the burger and fries. It came out very well.
It's like the picture.
Yeah. So I'm gonna eat this, and just in case, I have the emergency Max's water.
No, that's also my water.
I don't want to eat this. No. Push down with Coke. It's disgusting. If you want to try, just try it.
Ketchup tastes like ketchup. Burger.
So we're just gonna
Burger
throw
bun
this
doesn't taste really good.
I'm gonna try the fries.
Now try the meat. Blech. Blech, blech, blech. Everything tastes disgusting.
fries. The fries are in the middle for me.
And the cheese. Ah, no! No. No. Is it good?
Pretty good.
Coke is good.
For me.
Everything tastes bad. Everything. I need emergency water, Max.
So, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a
Comment
comment
below. Don't forget to subscribe.